Hey Devonshire, so I wanted to talk to you guys about another fun thing that we're going to look to do at the Grill Off. We are going to have a community parade. Now, within this parade, we're looking for two things. If you are someone in this community that has a dog and you want to go ahead and walk this parade with your dog, it's a good way for you to get a walk in and get some fun in all at the same time. I want you to be a part of this. Also, if you're a homeowner that has one of those real cool carts, I done seen y'all rolling around here. Every time you go by, I'm thinking, you see me rolling, because it looks cool. It's really great. I want you guys to be a part of it as well. So if you're interested in being a part of our parade, go ahead and contact me at the office. Give me a call, send me an email, whichever one you can do. Even if it's a paper airplane, make sure you get in contact with me ASAP so I can put you on the list for the parade, because space for being in the parade will be limited. So I look forward to hearing from you. See you then.